feel the magic only at IFA. Welcome to the biggest show ever.
Welcome back to Nexa IFA Awards 2023, Yas Island, Abu Dhabi, co-presented by Shobha Realty, co-powered by Kuber Group.
विकी कहानी अच्छी हो या बुरी उसकी बात करना भी अपने आप में कहानी है. This is the award for best story and the nominees are
Vivek Ranjan Agnihotri for the Kashmir Files, Akshat Gideon, Suman Adhikari for Badhai Do,
सुमी की
Ayan Mukherjee for Brahmastra Part 1 Shiva, Jasmeet Kareen, Parvesh Sheikh for Darlings, R. Balki for Chop.
And to present the award for best story original, may we please call Mr. Baman Irani and Nusrat Barucha.
I've been a host before, so I know how difficult it is and how enjoyable it is at the same time. But you guys are doing a fantastic job of hosting tonight's show. So to you, two of you and Abhishek, give them a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. They're doing such a wonderful job.
We're only trying to learn from the best, Baman sir.
The next IFA award for Best Story Original goes to Jasmeet R. Reen and Parvesh Sheikh for
Darling.
Thank you, IFA. This is my first film and first IFA award, so it'll always be special. Thank you to my super talented actors, full cast and crew of Darlings for giving me your best. Thank you very much.
ये अवार्ड है for best story adapted and the nominees are
आपका गार्डन काफी इंटरेस्टिंग.
Amil Kian Khan, Abhishek Pathak for Drishyam 2, Yogesh Chandekar for Monica Oh My Darling, S. Hussain Zaidi, Jean Borges for Gangubai Kathiawadi, Pushkar, Gayatri, B.A. Fida for Vikram Veda, R. Madhavan for Rocketry, The Nambi Fair.
इंसान को बर्बाद करना हो तो ये ऐलान कर दो कि वो देशद्रोही है.
Amil Kian Khan and Abhishek Pathak for the movie Drishyam 2.
Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah barakatuhu. Abu Dhabi, you've been incredible. Namaste. Abhishek is not here right now. Kumarji is here with us. I'd just like to thank the Almighty first of all. I'd like to thank Abhishek Pathak, the captain of the ship. First nomination, first victory. Inshallah, the first of many to come. Thank you.
ये अवार्ड मैं अपने बेटे अभिषेक के ब्याह पे ले रहा हूँ. एक पिता के लिए इससे बढ़ के खुशी की बात कोई और नहीं हो सकती. दृश्यम की पूरी टीम को, यहाँ की सारी ऑडियंस को, पूरे हिंदुस्तान की ऑडियंस को, पूरे वर्ल्ड की ऑडियंस को थैंक यू बोलना चाह रहा हूँ.
Thank you, sir. Congratulations. And thank you to the fabulous four. Thank you so much. पिछले 30 साल से इंडियन सिनेमा के आइकॉनिक लुक्स के पीछे है एक फैशन आइकॉन जिनका क्राफ्ट अनपैरेलल्ड रहा है.
The man has proved his mettle and stayed relevant, ladies and gentlemen, decade after decade for 30 years. इतना पावरफुल है इनका सेंस ऑफ स्टाइलिंग कि देखकर ही लोग बोल देते हैं,
Hey, is that a Manish Malhotra?
yes, the special award for outstanding achievement for fashion in cinema. The legend, every heroine's best friend and a dear friend to me as well, the great Mr. Manish Malhotra. To present this award, we would like to call Sara Ali Khan and Mr. Bhushan Kumar, please.
can Manish please come and take this award? I think you're the only one that I know that works with every actor from every generation all the time and does brilliantly always.
Ladies and gentlemen, Manish Malhotra.
Namaskar, and 3 decades sounds better than 30 years. It makes me feel younger. From childhood, I have just loved cinema and loved clothes. And it's just loved me back so much that I'm still here making clothes and lots of achievements still left. So thank you so much. Thank you, audience. Thank you, all the actors, producers, directors, my entire team, all of them. Thank you, IFA. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Sara. AB, I was wondering कि एक लीडिंग मैन में क्या क्वालिटीज होनी चाहिए?
उसे relatable होना चाहिए. You know, he has to be charming and he has to be vulnerable at the same time.
Correct. पता है ये सारी क्वालिटीज लास्ट ईयर के विनर में थी.
Oh, जो इस साल होस्ट बन के आया है.
यहाँ मेरी बात हो रही है यार, लास्ट ईयर का विनर.
तो इस साल क्या हुआ विकी?
इस साल मैं दूसरों को मौका दे रहा हूं. The nominees for performance in a leading role male are.
गेम क्या है तुम्हारा?
यही तो आपको पता लगाना है सर.
Hrithik Roshan for Vikram Vedha.
आज तक दिल और दिमाग के बीच मैंने हमेशा अपने दिमाग की सुनी. आज भी वही करूंगा.
Ajay Devgan for Drishyam 2. Karthik Aaryan for Bhool Bhulaiya 2. Anupam Kher for The Kashmir Files.
कश्मीर हमारा था. तू जानता ही क्या है कश्मीर के बारे में? औसत मर्डर की बात कर, तुझे यही काट दूंगा मैं.
Rajkumar Rao for Monica Oh My Darling.
बॉडी में छेद करना पड़ेगा वरना.
Abhishek A. Bachchan for Tasveer.
पढ़ा लिखा जाट, सोड़ा दुनियाट. So don't be smart.
And to present the award for performance in a leading role, male, may we please call upon Mr. Nobutaka Suzuki, Executive Officer Marketing and Sales, Maruti Suzuki India Limited, and Mr. Anil Kapoor.
The Nexa IFA Award for performance in a leading role, male, goes to Hrithik Roshan for Vikram Vedha. Hrithik Roshan for Vikram Vedha.
How are you, sir? Congratulations. Well done, Brad.
Ladies and gentlemen, Hrithik Roshan!
Thank you so much. Thank you. Receiving this award from you really means a lot to me. I used to call you uncle, but the way you are aging backwards, I think very soon you will be calling me uncle. Love you. Thank you. Abu Dhabi, thank you for this.
You're my son, Hrithik. You're my son. Abhishek is my son. Vicky Kaushal is my son. All of you are my sons, man. Honestly. I mean it.
With fathers and leaders like you, we have a long, long way to go.
Very long.
I really, really love and admire characters which are born out of a deep, deep collaboration between actor and director. And I know for a fact that I would not be standing here this evening if it weren't for my directors. Gayatri ma'am, Pushkar sir, would you please join me on stage and share this award with me? Because this truly belongs to you. the masters.
As Sikandar said, seriously, most embarrassing moment, but sweetest moment also. I think what Hrithik went through to get to this character and how he kind of did everything to bring a magic to it. I don't think we can beat that. One of the greatest actors whom any director can ever work with.
Lastly, a big thank you to my team. Thank you, guys. It's been wonderful. Dream big. Don't dream the possible. Dream the impossible. Have a good night. Bye-bye.
इस साल हमारी लीडिंग लेडीज के ऑथर बैक पावरफुल परफॉर्मेंसेस ने ऑडियंस को कैप्टिवेट कर दिया.
लेकिन कौन थी वो एक ऐसी परफॉर्मर who will create history tonight, presenting the award for best performance in a leading role female, and the nominees are
शक्ति, संपत्ति,
Alia Bhatt for Gangubai Kathiawadi.
तो इन मर्दों को किस बात का गुरूर?
इसके पीछे कोई साधारण आत्मा नहीं है.
Tabu for Bhool Bhulaiya 2.
खाला जादू करने वाली मंजुलिका है.
कोलाबा के लिटिल डॉट्स प्ले स्कूल से बात कर रही हूँ.
Yami Gautam Dhar
की टीचर. मैंने 16 बच्चों को हॉस्टेज बना लिया.
for Earth Thursday.
और मेरी कुछ डिमांड्स हैं.
Alia Bhatt for Darlings.
फील्डिंग बहुत हो गई अम्मी. अब बैटिंग चालू.
जुल्फी, अगर तूने हमजा को किडनैप किया है ना,
Shefali Shah for Darling.
मैंने क्या?
आप दोनों जुल्फी.
And to present the award for performance in a leading role female, may we please call upon stage Mr. Shashank Srivastav, Senior Executive Officer Marketing and Sales, Maruti Suzuki India Limited, and Kriti Sanan. Wow! Last year की winner announce करेंगी इस साल की winner. Hi Kriti.
Hi Vicky. Hi Abhishek.
Hello Kriti.
Hello Abu Dhabi. It is lovely to be back again this year. And the Nexa IFA Award for performance in a leading role female goes to Alia Bhatt for Gangubai Kathiawadi.
सर आप गंगूबाई के स्टाइल में थैंक यू बोल दो.
आलिया जी कोई कारण से आ नहीं पाए. मुझे प्राउड है कि इस फिल्म के साथ संजय लीला बंसाली जी, आलिया जी, पूरी टीम के साथ हम जुड़े. बहुत बहुत थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Thank you so much IFA for this award. Thank you so much for the honor. गंगूबाई मेरे लिए एक बहुत ही स्पेशल फिल्म है और जो भी मैंने उस फिल्म में किया, the credit goes to one person only, and that is Sanjay Leela Bhansali. Sanjay sir, thank you so much, and thank you to my audience for always supporting me.
ये भी मेरी एक थियरी है.
Okay.
डायरेक्टर्स का नाम जितना भारी होता है ना,
Okay.
उनकी मूवीज लोग उतना ही ज्यादा पसंद करते हैं.
Really?
Yeah, for example, S.S. Rajamouli, संजय लीला भंसाली, मणि रत्नम, नागराज मंजुले.
लेकिन सुनो, what about Ayan, Sid, Raju, Anis? इनकी फिल्म्स पॉपुलर नहीं होती हैं क्या?
नहीं होती है ना. मैंने कब कहा कि मेरी थियरी करेक्ट है? बस थियरी है.
लेकिन तुम सही डायरेक्शन में जा रहे हो मेरे ब्रो, क्योंकि अगला अवार्ड है फॉर डायरेक्शन.
सो द नॉमिनीज फॉर डायरेक्शन आर
नमस्ते
Sanjay Leela Bhansali for Gangubai Kathiawadi.
क्या समझ रखा है मुझे?
R. Madhavan for Rocketry, The Nambi Fair.
मैं एक रॉकेट साइंटिस्ट हूँ.
Ayan Mukherjee for Brahmastra Part 1, Shiva. Anis Bazmi for Bhool Bhulaiya 2.
आप खड़े खड़े मेरा मुंह क्या देख रहे हो? देख लो.
अभी से बात करो.
आपके पीछे जो दो आत्माएं खड़ी हैं,
उनसे बात कर रहा हूँ।
Jasmeet K. Reen for Darlings. Vasant Bala for Monica Oh My Darling.
Wow, what a lineup that is. And to present this award, ladies and gentlemen, for direction, may we please call upon Mr. Kabir Khan and Rakul Preet.
Good evening, everyone. We are here to announce the Nexa IFA Award for Direction. And I'm really happy and thrilled to announce that it goes to R. Madhavan for Rocketry, the Nambi Effect.
Hi. Maddie, all is well? All is well, all is well. First of all, thank you, IFA. I've been here from its very infant stages, part of this organization. It's wonderful to see you all grow and become such a coveted award, and I'm very happy to be receiving this on my debut film at the IFA. So thank you so very much, everybody involved. Thanks, Vedant, for offering to come and take the award, but I think you've been up on many podiums. It's my turn. I didn't want to let it go. So thanks. You know, Sarita, my wife, has a really cute smile, and she has even cuter laughter. But I can never forget this one laughter that I heard from her on the day that I realized that apart from writing this film and producing it and acting in it in 3 languages and in 8 countries, I was compelled to direct it. And when I told her that, she started to laugh really loud from the belly, you know. And to me, it sounded like Dolby Atmos 7.0 made half hyena, half horse sort of a laughter. She said, "Ab ye bhi karoge?" I mean, she said, "Are you mad?" And that was 5 years ago. Wow. And honey, I just want to tell you, Meri Jaan ki, I'm not mad. I'm Maddie, and we did it. I want to thank the entire team of Rocketry for going out of the call of duty to do more than they were expected to finish this film and continue to help me even today. And the reason we all went over call of duty was because of this one man. Nambi Narayan sir, thank you so very much for coming into our lives. Thank you so much, and I'm really, truly honored. Thank you. And I just want to say that the dignity and the grace of any show is largely measured by the hosts, and you guys have managed to keep it up with the right sense of humor. I'm so blessed to have you as my friends. Thanks,
Thank
Abhishek.
you, sir. So sweet
Thanks.
of you.
Love
Thank
you, Maddie.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Congratulations. Can you tell us एक अच्छी और बुरी फिल्म में क्या फर्क होता है? हाँ, वही जो उरी और भूत द हॉन्टेड शिप में था। अरे यार, कम से कम मेरी फिल्में देखी तो है कि नहीं? हाँ, वो तो देखी तो है जरूर। But we are very happy to report that there were plenty of fabulous films this year. Yes, and it's time that they receive the acclaim they deserve. So the nominees for Best Picture are
मेरा नाम तुझे सल्गाव करे।
Bhushan Kumar, Krishan Kumar, Abhishek Pathak, Kumar Mangat Pathak.
चाहे कुछ भी हो
For Drishyam 2.
मैं तुम लोगों को कुछ नहीं होने दूंगा।
Dr. Jayantilal Gada, Sanjay Leela Bhansali. For Gangubai Kathiawadi.
कुमारी आपने छोड़ा नहीं और श्रीमती कभी किसी ने बनाया ही नहीं।
Bhushan Kumar, Krishan Kumar, Anshul Khetani, Murad Khetani. For Bhool Bhulaiya 2. Shivashi Sarkar, S. Shashikant, Bhushan Kumar, Krishan Kumar. For Vikram Veda.
किस्मत से फाइट मारोगे ना मुन्ना, तभी किस्मत नहीं सुनेगी। मौका सिर्फ आता नहीं है, छीना भी जाता है।
Hey darling. Gauri Khan, Alia Bhatt, Gaurav Verma. For Darlings.
Please.
बाप रे बाप।
रमन काका, हमजा नहीं आए?
नहीं।
So the award goes to Bhushan sir, Krishan Kumar sir, Kumar Mangat sir, Abhishek Pathak for Drishyam 2.
Thank you, IFA, for this honor. And this award actually belongs to Ajay sir for his outstanding performance and the entire team, including the director, of course, because he did a great job in the film. Thank you very much.
बहुत बहुत बधाई कुमार जी.